Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and I'm super excited to let you know that we have already launched our new version of GHL Code Snippets library, which we called GHL Code Snippets 2.0. And you can see the library dashboard here, okay? And here the benefit is this library have all the code snippet we already have into the old libraries and also the newer code snippets, okay? And it's really easy to navigate different categories from here, you can see. And the best thing is to generate your code snippets, you don't need to use any editor and update the code from your own, okay? Everything inside now the library, okay? So if you need to change anything, then you can do this right inside the UI, okay? So let me show you another example for, let's say, for free plus shipping, okay? If you want to these code snippets, then you can see all the customization and everything is here, okay? So, and one more thing, we also adding the new videos for each of the code snippets, okay? And we are working so hard, okay? And the thing is that I want to know you here. So as you are still using the old library, okay, so I'm requesting you to register your account with the same purchase email, okay, to the new library. You will get the link for the registration right below this video. And also after registration, just send us an email for confirmation so that we can check and upgrade your account, okay, to the premium version if you are already a premium members, okay? But if you are free members, then also fine. You can upgrade your account right from here, okay? And the best part is inside the new version of GHL Code Snippets library, beside all the codes, okay, we also have the gradient background generator, gradient text generator, gradient color generator, okay? So now you can add cool effect colors in your GoHighLevel pages and get the color from here, okay? And also we have the shadow effect, okay, like some shadow effect, even though GoHighLevel already have the shadow effect, but we added some good looking design preset. So all you just need to copy the code, okay? So we already have the video for this. And also we have the button effect, okay? So if you want to use a different button rather than your default GoHighLevel buttons, then you can also do that. And we also added the ReviewKits widget, okay, inside the new version of GHL Code Snippets library. By using these snippets, you can collect review from many different platforms, okay? By default we have about 40 different platforms and you can use it, okay? So let me show you an example here. Let's say preview. You can see once we have this, okay, 4-star 5-star reviews, then you can also do that. You will get the detailed video for this into the library, okay? So here is the review kits, and also we have the floating button for the review kits like this, you can see. So you can also use this if you are a premium member. And we also adding lots of new code snippets into the library, as well as we are adding some content writing features also. We are working on that. So actually we are trying to make GHL Code Snippets library one of the best tool for GoHighLevel users, okay? So that you don't have anything to miss to make your funnels and website good looking as well as more functional, okay? So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a nice day.